Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
After reading the rice, 20 minutes later, I got this particular way.
Sorry? Owner of the rice.
The driver, the loader.
They were coming from where?
Some go down here.
That's where they got the rice.
That's what they got the rice from me.
You are setting the number of loader. It's only the loader that's okay. Again, man, can you ascertain the number of rice that they actually purchased?
It's just 30 bags.
30 packs of rice. And it means they are not taking or they are not bringing the rice from border.
No, you cannot bring 30 bags of rice from border.
From border.
You understand? Bringing rice from border, you float big truck that worth 800, 1,000. You understand? Definitely they will not collect 30 bags from border from you. They will not allow you to pass. But they will allow those big trucks to pass. Not this small one. It's from Songo. I gave them wavy. You see? You understand? But the customs to leave the border and come within Songo, within Lagos, within Lagos. And even if you carry 5 bags, they will collect it. 10 bags, they will collect it.
So what happened to the driver and the owner?
The driver is there. Even the 4041. The driver is there.
And the owner? What about the owner? What about the owner?
Yeah, we'll get to them.
It's coming. What happened to the owner?
The owner ran away when the custom were shooting. We were even calling him now. He's nowhere to be found.
All right, please, man, can you please identify yourself?
My name is Miguel.
A rice dealer, right?
Yes.
At Songo Market.
At Songo Market.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.